It's the third time I'm doing this video, right? Let's lock in. It's the third time. Whew. Okay. So, in the earlier part of the video, before market open, I already talked about the previous trade I took was last week, Tuesday. Okay, and why I did it, but I'm not gonna explain it now because market just opened. Maybe I might explain it soon because while we're waiting for market. Okay, anyways, what I did here, I've marked out the sessions, Asian, London, and now New York. So what are all these lines? These are the session highs and session lows. So Asian session low, here Asian session high, London session high, London session low. So we saw in the 1 hour, as you can see here, market didn't close below the low, so it's still in a high, whereas the 4 hour, it's in a low. Why do you say that? You're saying it clearly looks like it's going up, but take a look at this. This is a low price made, right? Red candle, green candle, the lowest point here. So this next candle, what did it do? It closed below this low, meaning it shifted. Trend shift. The trend shifted to the downside. Now you see 3 consecutive green candles. What does that mean? That means nothing. Okay, because it didn't close above the nearest high being this, right? It didn't close above that, so we can take it as it didn't break structure. Okay, it didn't break structure to the upside. So, and last we go to our daily, and our daily, as we can clearly see, it's in an uptrend. All right, yeah, prices broke to 5,000 yesterday. Okay, so now our bias is going to be going for bull. Okay, uptrend. Since our bias is in uptrend, we're going to be looking for sweeps of the low. And okay, what I learned from TJ's video is new video on advanced liquidity with the my mouse not working. Oh my days. Wait, now's the time the mouse stops working. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, what was I saying? Yeah, okay, I just saw TJ's video on advanced liquidity. I didn't see the full thing, okay. I've yet to watch. I think we have 10 minutes left. I've yet to watch, but basically what the latest thing I learned, I mean previously, yeah, I've gotten basically of what he said. I know, I've seen the old bootcamp videos and everything. Basically he's saying that we take our session lows and highs and we enter at that point, and we exit using low resistance liquidity. Okay, what does that mean? These blue lines are all session highs, session lows. Okay, and then we want to exit at the low resistant liquidity. So like, see, look at this, like multiple highs. Okay, see, like, okay, low, 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 low. So we take those points as exit points. I mean, vice versa lah. If I'm going for sell, I'll use the lows as exit points. If I'm going for buy, using the highs as exit points. Okay. Alright, since we're going for a buy, we're going for a buy today. I mean, that's what we intend to do. What are we looking for? We're looking for sweeps of low. Okay, and looky here, very near is the London session low. Okay, so why are we looking for liquidity sweeps? Okay, let's do a recap. Every video I'm saying this, I hope people get it. I know right now like no one watches, but if you are, I'm giving good content. Soon it'll be perfect, but now it's right. So why are we looking for liquidity sweeps? Because liquidity sweeps, also known as fake outs, TJR says London session fake outs. Alright, why is it a fake out? It's because under liquidity there are buys and sells. Okay, so under a low there are a lot of sells. The market movers, let's say, okay, they want to move the market upwards, meaning they want to buy. Okay, they want to buy and push gold up. To buy, you need someone to sell it to you, correct? You understand this concept? Yes, you need someone to sell it to you for you to buy. Okay, now why are they going below lows? Why are they, not from here? They just shooting up now because they need people to sell it to them. So what do? They go below these lows. When we are going for, like I mentioned just now, how is it known as a downtrend when market shift? We saw in the 4 hour, right? Okay. Yeah. When did I say the market shifted? When this candle closed below the low. So it went below the low, meaning once you go below low, people are going to sell, thinking, okay, it broke structure to the downside. So once I go past that low, there's a lot of people going to be thinking market's going to go down, so they're going to press sell, right? And where do we put our stop losses? We put our stop losses above highs and below lows, right? So meaning the people that thought market was going to go up, they put their stop losses below the low. So there are two types of people selling here. One, the people that intend to sell thinking market's going to go down, and two, the people who have their stop losses there. Because stop losses means, like, they are buying. What is to stop the buy is to sell it off, correct? So yeah, that's why they have stop loss, means the opposite lah. So their stop loss is at that low. So that's why the market makers want to push it down, take as much as possible, and move it back up. So that's going to be our plan for today. Oh my days. Okay, that's our plan for today. We're going to look for a sweep here, retracement, fair value gap, and all that. Okay, I think market's moving slow, but let's go and check. Okay, no really big news today. I've explained this right. Nothing. Okay, so market looks like it's moving down where we hope it's gonna go. So if market does, I don't know where to put my take profits at, because this is the highest gold has ever been. I think here and here. That's it. Just small bar. Let's go with that first lah, okay? Because I'm not really sure, so I'm not going to confuse you all. Oh, we can learn together. Okay, since it's the highest point market has ever been, there's likelihood of market correction, I guess. But market correction, if I'm not mistaken, from what I know, it's a big candle, long, short candle. Okay, anyways, that's not part of our plan right now. I'm not gonna just add on. We have to focus with our plan, okay? So now market looks like it's going down. Okay, and we're looking for sweep downside, all right. Once I get that sweep, I will form an order block. Okay, 2 videos today, but I tended to start this early so I can have time to make my other video. Other video I'm going to be talking about your mindset, which is very important. And this channel is not really just for, like I said, just for trading, but I think I have thoughts that are worth sharing and worth listening. And it's my opinion, but yeah, I think that if you listen, if you hear what I say, I don't just say random stuff, say bullshit. If you think I am, whatever. I don't think so. Majority of people would appreciate my content, I guess. So I feel a need to post, just to share. If I can help even one person out, it's worth it. I have no really passion of being a YouTuber. It's just for fun. Like I said, for fun, to gain more knowledge, to gain more experience, to gain more discipline, and most importantly, teach others what I know. Okay, so yeah, video will be coming out soon. You can check that. Okay, all right. That looks like some sort of rejection, and okay, I'm just gonna draw this right now. Okay, I want to go to GPUSD, alright, because I want to trade 2 of this. Right, so let's go. The market opened already. Let's just put here 8:30. Don't worry, we'll keep monitoring. Hope it's not a long video. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to stay up the whole night or until my trade ends, I'm certainly not going to take the time to edit the videos. So what I will do is, every time I do a video trading, the next day after I take a trade today, we'll see the next day. Okay, obviously I'm going to put my take profits and stop losses set, but I'm not going to record, and y'all don't want to watch 50-minute video of me waiting. Okay, so keep checking. Okay, so in GPUSD we can see uptrend. Alright, perfect. So let's mark out our session high, session low, lowest point of London, highest point of London, lowest point, highest point. Okay, so what do I think? Here's where it's getting interesting, right? Are you ready? I am thinking price just manipulated since it's going in the uptrend, right? Okay, I think I might take trade. This seems very sweet. Okay, I think I'm gonna take trade, but just pick one set. Okay, here's my thinking. Price. Okay, wait, let me do this quick. Then I'll explain what's going on. Okay. Okay. Depending how it goes, I'll take a trade or not. But so we know that price made a move up this whole day. So indication is price is going to continue going up. But as you can see, the lowest point is here. So yeah, you know what you're thinking, like, yeah, okay, when you said to go up, they're going to sweep the lows. Yes, exactly. So what I'm guessing is, since both the lowest lows, the session lows are here, right? So I'm thinking they're going to manipulate price at the top here. See, they're going to first manipulate the price here at the top, push it all the way down, hit the lows, go back up. Wishful thinking, maybe, but I've seen it happen, and you know, so what am I waiting for? Why am I not putting a sell as you think? Okay, this is why we're looking for confirmation. Our trade is not just, oh, I think trade. No, that's how you're gonna lose money, because you might be wrong. So we want to get our probability up. How do we do that? High right here, swap. What am I thinking? It's not sweep. Sweep is a shadow. Alright, man. Alright. Well, if you go here in 15 minutes, you can see, oh yeah, it's the shadow over there. That's because high time frame hold high power. See? It just sweeps. It didn't close above. At least probably about 30 minutes. See? So I'm waiting for price to come out, go back in this box. Okay, because this box is an order block. And what does that mean? An order block is when the last movement towards the sweep. Okay, so what does that mean? So here I'm looking for, because I said it's going to go down to reach these lows to sweep it, right? So for that, it's going up. So swept these highs here. Okay, so to sweep high, you have to go up, right? So the last push upwards. Okay, it's swept. I would say this one here. Why am I saying this and not this? I know you can see it as well as I do. Here reached first, but because it didn't go down after that. See, here it went down. Correct? Here same level. So here it went down. So I'm confidently saying that the order block is these two green candles here. That's the size of my order block. Okay. So now I have my order block. My order block, I use my 5 minute, and I use my 1 minute to see here. Okay. Now, okay, I want the whole candle to be outside short block. Then I want it to retrace, and retrace to where? Retrace into 50%. Right now, minimum is here. This green line, that's where you can place a sell. Okay. If price goes down further, then comes back up, yeah, we'll move this. But for now, it's right here. Once it touches the green line, I'm ready. It just lines up. Yep. Look here, you can see a fair value gap here. Okay. Let's go back. So we have our setup ready for that. Okay. And not yet for gold. As you can see, not yet sweep this low. Okay, 10 minutes. So that's my understanding for now. correct. I just had this thought, as in the sweep of the highs to come down here to take out the lows. Yeah, but it makes sense, correct? Because you take a trade from the session lows and highs, so we are looking for buys. The nearest, I mean, obviously it's a session low. Both session lows are here, so they're going to manipulate a high then to make it go down, because they want the market to go up. So they're going to manipulate the high. They're going to manipulate the high because it's so far apart. So they're going to manipulate the high. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Let's get ready. Good risk to reward ratio. I like it. Barely touches. I'm still getting ready anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna use 1 cent now because still learning, so I'm not gonna waste my money. Okay. Go back to gold. No. What we don't want to do, right? Let's say inside joke with me and my friends, but okay, let's say I didn't take a trade here, okay, because I'm waiting for it to hit this line. I didn't take a trade here, and market just fell down, meaning I didn't get money. I planned to maybe, let's say I'll get like $5. I didn't, and you're thinking, shit, if only I just pressed that sell, if only I just pressed that buy right there and then, I would have gotten money, I would have gotten paid. Wrong. That's not the mindset we should chase right now. Okay? Ever. Our mindset should be getting it right. And I'll be honest, it's like aggravating, it's irritating, I'm getting anxious looking at the market when it's going down, and I'm like, it's so close, I should press it, no. What does it matter? Right now we're trying to get our fundamentals right. So we have to be patient, we have to follow our plan. The plan is to do here, not 1 cent lower. Okay? Because only when we follow our plan we can do it right. Only when we follow our plan we can become profitable. What you should do, if let's say it just went down, what I should do is see, why did it go down? Why did it stop here and go down? Why not here? Find reasons, even if you have to make them up at first in your head. You just give some, if you're giving some bullshit answer, not any, I'm saying like, it's just today, my bad luck. No. Even you can find some logical reason, or maybe because it was a low right here and then market this, that. You try to make up, fake it till you make it last. So I'm trying to say, sometimes you have to do that, but you have to be smart about it. I'm saying, if I decided, maybe it's like this, tomorrow I have to go and look at it again, not follow that, but follow my original plan, and then see, is what I'm talking about yesterday correct? Did it make sense? Did it follow it today? No, it didn't. 3 days, you check 3 days in a row, it still didn't follow. Maybe something was wrong that day with me. My analysis wasn't correct. So, but at least I know next time, it's not this. There's another reason for it. Okay, what if I took in a trade here today? Yes, tomorrow it just proved that I shouldn't have taken the trade. Suddenly, what will you do if it's just flies up the next minute? That's happened to me. Might happen now. Never know. So we gotta be very careful. Go. Okay. Okay. Nice. This is what's sometimes tricky about liquidity sweeps, because here I can say, it's a sweep of the highs. You know? Oh. Wow. Stole my room. Okay, we're reaching half an hour. We haven't made a trade. Oh my days. It's okay. It's okay. If you're smart, I mean, you can just fast forward time. Yeah. No reaction. Hold on. Sweep. My dog entered. Anyway. Oh. Same. Okay. We're close to sweeping the lows for. Three highs at the same point. Why? Okay, it's getting suspicious. Right, three highs three highs are made out. I'm guessing. Okay, I'm gonna sell trade because it touched. Right. Oh. It's actually crazy. My line's no good now. Okay. Right, there's a trade going on. We're just 1 cent. Okay. 500. Yep, I am losing 15 cents. It's low, so it's okay. I'm fine with that. Alright, so give a break now. Okay, let's see. What I was thinking just now was, is there a correction in the market? Would there be? Because I mean, the newspaper, and they said there might be. Analysts said several factors could trigger a correction, including a pullback in US rate cut expectations, margin calls in equities, and easing concerns about Fed independence. So, what is a correction? Correction means like maybe one day market just flew too high, so they have to make a correction to make it low down a bit. That's my just basic understanding of the word. I should learn about it in detail more, and when I do, I'll tell you guys. I won't gatekeep, don't worry. I won't gatekeep. Okay. Looks like market's pushing on to our side. For a while more, then I'll end the video, but I just want to see how it is. I just want to see. Okay, that's a good sign. See, what a sign, Lord, a sign. So normally what I do is, okay, look, I'm in the 5 minute and it's a big order block, right? So it's a big order block. Sometimes I like to move it to go to the 1 minute, and I see the nearest to the line, so it should be here. See? So I wait for price to go out of this and come back into this. It is also, it's more accurate, I would say, because in 5 minute and 1 minute sometimes it's similar, but when this is like, it's so big, it's bound to have like some green candles in the middle, correct? So I make it more. Why is it more accurate? Is because it's here means it has to go out here, correct? But once it touch here, I buy. Whereas here, even though the pushing out is easier, I mean like much easier, to come back in you still have to be closer to where you're going to buy, and it's closer to your stop loss. So okay, yeah. So you're planning on buying yet? So I'll take out this, right. Just to let you all know, like, you won't go into trading all for it, obviously, because this is I'm planning to make my whole life around this. So obviously I'll encourage people to do it, but you have to be sure that you're Don't use the money you really need. It's not gonna work. See? Look, I'm trying to teach people and trade's going opposite. You lose some days. You have to lose to learn. Like, so maybe I'll lose and I'm fine with it. I'm putting 1 cent only to learn. Okay? I'm fine with it. Totally fine. If it doesn't go my way, because I put a lot of effort into studying the charts as of late, especially. And I think I'm close, so it doesn't matter to me. I feel I'm going to catch it one of these days. If not today, I'm gonna catch it one of these days and we're gonna fly. Okay? So don't use money like you need. You're like planning to buy food with that money and then you just go in, it's okay if I win, fuck off. You're not. Okay? Use money you're willing to lose. You have some money saved up, you're like, I don't care if that burns. Use that money. Not money you actually need. Always remember that. So when price goes out here, remember I'll do the see where okay, let's say if price went up. Why did it go up? Where did it start going up? We can see the price did go up. Looks to me here like this is a liquidity sweep. Price has to go up, out, come back inside, then go up. So if price did go up, meaning it's supposed to go up today, or it's going to go up now, because like I said, our plan for GPSD is where it go down, hit the lows, then come up, right? So if price meant to do what I like, go up, go in the opposite direction right now, what would it need to happen? It needs to go out of this line here and touch it back. Okay, because that means this would be a liquidity sweep or order block. Alright, then price goes out, retraces back, comes inside the order block minimum lah, maybe not inside the 50%. So okay, see, our gold didn't go out of the order block, so I'm not gonna press. Doesn't matter to me. If suddenly it decided to shoot up here and people are like, what the fuck, could have. No, not our plan, don't do it. You're not based on emotion, okay? You're not based on emotion, based on your thoughts. As a trader, that's how you should be. See, if I taken in, what if I hit my stop loss? Yep. No, just like the rain. Okay, if market's going down, why? It didn't touch any of the session highs. Isn't that interesting? Or maybe it's still going to sweep. Let's see. Okay. And make money, lose money, no emotion at all. Of course you'll be, you will have that feeling, but you know, because either way you will suffer later on. You win too much, you get too happy, you get too into it, then when you lose one day, which will happen, you're gonna kill yourself. Okay. Oh, I said I don't this video will be 40 minutes. I need this. Look at it. Sorry, I don't have an editor right now, so okay. If we saying this is a sweep, where does it need to go for us to take it again? Above this, last push down. Last push down prior to sweep. I know if you all are watching all the videos, you say, why am I repeating? Am I repeating the same bullshit over and over again? It's not bullshit. It's important information. I'm repeating so it gets drilled in your head so you know, okay, yes, I need to know these things. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be trading gold today because moving very slow indeed. Then I think we got gold wraps. Okay, I think I will update you all tomorrow. I will set, always set the stop losses. Yeah. I'll update you all tomorrow. Peace. Oh, almost deleted the whole thing. I'll kill myself. Bye.